How to clear system storage on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear system storage on your Android phone and free up space step by step. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step 1, that is to check storage. So here first go to the settings, and now here once inside the settings, just tap on about phone, and after that tap on storage. And now here you can check and see how much space is used by apps, photos, cache and system files. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to clear cache. So here on the same page, you can simply tap on apps and data. And after that, you'll be prompted to the page where you will see a list of all the apps that is installed on your device. So here you can simply find the one that is using the most storage, and there you can simply tap on it. And now here, once you are inside this page, you simply have to tap on the option labeled as clear cache. And now here, once you tap on the clear cache option, confirm it by tapping on OK. And once you do that, it will clear some cache storage without deleting your data. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to delete temporary files. So here on phones, you'll find device care or storage cleaner. So here you can use it to remove junk files, duplicates and temporary data. And here with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to uninstall the unused apps. So here in this list, you can scroll through and find the apps that you no longer use, and there you can simply tap on it and delete the app by tapping on uninstall app. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to move files to cloud or SD. So here you can move your photos and clouds videos to Google Photos, Drive or an SD card to save internal storage. And with that, moving forward to the step 6, that is advanced factory reset option. So here, if your system storage is still too full, then you can do factory reset. So here you can tap on about phone, and there you can simply tap on factory reset and complete the procedure to erase all your data. But remember, this wipes your phone and make it like a new. So there you need to back up first before you start this option. And that's it. That's how you can clear system storage on any Android phone quickly and easily. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.